Assalamu alaikum friends. Do you sometimes feel scared to speak or write in English? Don't worry. I have there too. Today we will learn words and sentence in the easiest way. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to make your own sentences confidently. Let's start together. A word is the smallest part of English alphabets. It can be a person, a place, a thing, or even an idea. For example, boy, cat, school, happy. Repeat after me: boy, cat, school, happy. A sentence is when we join words together to make sense. For example, the boy is happy. I like my school. Repeat after me. The boy is happy. I like my school. Remember, a word is just one thing, and a sentence is many words together to tell a full idea. Words are like bricks and sentences are like houses built with bricks. Let's repeat together. Boy, you know boy is a word. Cat, cat is also a word. Happy, happy is also a word. And if we difference between them, the boy is happy. It's a complete sentence which makes sense. Combination of different words is called sentence. Now it's your turn. Make sentences using these words. For example, cat. Cat is a word. How we make sentence from it? The cat is sleeping. Next word, school. I go to school every day. Third word is happy. I am happy today. Try to speak these sentences aloud. Don't worry if you make mistakes. We all learn together. Today we learn words and sentences. Words are small, sentences are ideas. Practice these every day. You will become confident in English, just like me. Don't forget to subscribe the English Strategist for the next lesson. Bye.